Hi! Welcome to our channel. So ngayon naman ay puntahan natin yung mga binook na natin na mga attractions. So, tara na! Ano pa hinihintay natin? Punta na tayo! So, ayan na. Ayan na yung dome. Ayan na yung cloud forest. Seasons of blooms. We'll see you in a while. Wow! Thank you for the warmest welcome. Yeehaw! We're at the Flower Dome. So this is the entrance. This is the main entrance. Kuya, you need to open it. Wow! Welcome to Flower Dome. So, it's Christmas Flower Dome pa ni. Duha man. So, inuna namin yung Flower Dome because I believe mas spectacular yung Cloud Forest. So, ito na yun. This is the family. This is the Flower Dome. This is the dome, guys. So, this is the entrance na i-welcome kayo. Check the time. That's the Australian Garden.
7:30.
Ayan o, this way. Follow the arrow.
7:30.
Imagine that. Anong meron dyan? Okay, so Christmas Village. Flower field. Dire-day. Pasensya na at nagabihan kami so ayan, madilim but so lamig dito guys, sobrang lamig, grabe. South American Garden, ayun. Nindot siguro ni adlawan. Pero mas nindot manggod ang Avatar o gabi eh. Gawas na ka? Babaw. Babaw. Oh, Gardens by the Bay. Mama, orchids. Kadagkag orchids. Okay, the farm under the palm trees. Daddy and Kuya. Singapore Flyer, yung bilog na yan. Still here at the Flower Dome. Ang lamig, guys. This is the dome, the gigantic dome that houses thousands, hundreds of plant species. Oh, nagtatalo na sila sa building na blue. Kung ano man yun. Ayan o, sa may poinsettias. Poinsettia. Diri ba? Poinsettia o. Ayan o. Poinsettia flower. Di ko mo tanaw, asa dapita na. Oh, the Christmas village. Wow. Go to the snow cave. Wow. Kunyari mga icicles. Frozen.
Oh. Elsa.
Let it go, let it go.
Tawag sa kanya?
Hello, Rudolph. Hi. Rudolph, where's my gift? So we are in the middle of the Christmas village. Inside the Flower Dome. Gingerbread house, charet. Alam nyo, totoong flowers po ito. As in real flowers.
Look here.
Ooh, it's cold. Freezing cold. So guys, these are real poinsettia, guys. Everything inside is for real. Real plants po. Ang ganda, ang galing kung paano nila ginawa tong flower dome. Ang ganda ng concept nila. Hala, wa pa ni Sudya, oh.
Mama, may event.
Ah, event pala yan. Ayan, oh. Goodbye, Flower Dome. So, we're heading to the way out and proceed na kami sa Cloud Forest. So, goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Flower Dome. Ayan, sa sakto nyo. Thank you for visiting us. Andito naman yung mga souvenirs. Wow, books about plants. Siyempre, bago ka lumabas, baka gusto mong bumili, di ba? So, they have plush toys.
Ah, pambata mo.
So they have these. So ayan, ang daming plush toys. Souvenirs, shirts. So yan. Ayan o. ito na pala yung way out.
Mabli.
Let's go.
Mabli.
Ang ganda, ang ganda. So there, hindi kami bumili.